If Airdrop is stuck and not showing any devices, try these fixes. Let's start by turning Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and back on. Open the Settings app on your device and tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off the toggle next to it, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, go back to the previous page and do the same for Bluetooth. Now, try sending the images again and see if Airdrop works properly. If Airdrop still isn't showing nearby devices, check your Airdrop settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap General. Then select Airdrop. At the top, you'll see different receiving options. Change the option to Everyone for 10 minutes. This makes your device visible through Airdrop for the maximum available time. Try sending the images again and check if Airdrop is working normally. If Airdrop still isn't showing nearby devices, move on to the next fix. Sign out of your Apple ID. Open the Settings app and tap your Apple ID banner at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password if asked and complete the sign out process. Wait a few moments, then sign back in with your Apple ID and password. After that, try transferring the images again and see if Airdrop is working correctly. If the issue continues, force restart your device. Press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the button and wait for your iPhone to restart. Next, update iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now or download and install. Make sure your device is running the latest version.